from me!
I'm afraid I'm gonna have to teach you some manners.
I gotta get out of here!
Oh no, Mr. Jesse. You'll be staying with us for a very long time. At least until you can learn how to behave.